Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Scrub. In this video, I'm going to explain what VLOOKUP is and how to use it with a very simple example. So VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup, and it is a function in Excel and Google Sheet that help you find information in a table. And if let's say you give Excel a value that you're looking for, like an invoice ID in this case, and VLOOKUP search for that value in another table and return related information to that table. So here I have two different sheets with invoice IDs. I have invoice 1, and in the orange tab I have invoice 2. And my goal is to find which values in invoice 1 are also in invoice 2. So I will enter an equal sign and I will start with VLOOKUP, open parentheses, and the lookup value, which is going to be A2, comma, the table array, which is invoice 2, and column A. And since column in is in the placement of 1 from my selection, I will put a comma, 1, and then comma. Here you have true as the approximate match and false as the exact match. I don't like to type in true or false. Now what I like to do is enter 0 or 1. So 1 is true, which is approximate match, and false, it would be 0, and that would be an exact match. And in this scenario, I'm going to go with false exact match, so I'll enter 0, close parentheses, enter. Now I want this to be filled all the way down because I want it for all of invoice 1. So I will go to the right hand corner of the cell B2 and double click the little green box right here. And now you have the results. So the ones that are showing NA are the one where there's no match. VLOOKUP couldn't find a match. But the ones that are populated with an invoice ID means that they exist in invoice 2. So this is just a basic example of VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP isn't only for looking up value. It can also be used to populate related data whenever there's a match in invoice ID. And I'll be covering more of the practical and advanced uses of VLOOKUP later, but I just wanted to show you a very basic, simple example in this video. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching.